what's up everyone? Welcome to my channel. I'm Gigi with Gigi Gabrielle 21. I'm doing this video basically to show you my new do. Are you feeling it? Are you liking it? Looks good, right? No, I'm just playing with you. No, we're here to do a wig review and an install. So today we'll be taking a look at a wig from the Jan and Mel collection. Go ahead and take a screenshot. So the name is Bode or Bode, however you want to say it. I kind of want to say Bode because it sounds cute. And she's in the color DR2/NaturalBrown. So on the stock card, it says that she has HD transparent Swiss lace, 100% hand tied. It also says that she's pre-plucked, pre-customized, natural hairline. And it has heat resistant fiber, which is safe up to 360 degrees Fahrenheit. That's pretty good. Let's take a look inside. So as you can see right here, they're giving you the difference. So this is other wigs and this is the melt lace that they have. And it goes in to talk about, you know, how this one's better because it has more of a natural hairline. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you take a look at it. Let's see. All right, so this is her. And I chose her because of the color. I am so curious to see what it looks like on me. And so as you can see, I try to go with the theme, two-tone hair, two-tone shirt. So go ahead, put it on pause and go put on your two-tone clothes too. So anyways, the construction of the wig is a T-part wig. And it has two combs in the front, kind of like right here. And then one in the back with the elastic bands. Please go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on notification bells to my channel. I'd really like for you to come back and for you to help me grow my channel. Right now, I'm trying to make at least 1,000 subscribers. Help me out, please. You know, like right now I'm starting off doing hair because I love hair. I love watching hair videos and doing it. But I'm also gonna branch off into other things, like doing plus size fashion. You know, I'm a plus size girl and there's a lot of girls that could relate. You know, I'm just a regular girl and I'm sure you guys are just regular girls too. You know, beautiful women at that, inside and out. So we can look it together and I can show you, you know, what I look like in the clothes and what I look like in the wigs. And maybe you can relate, maybe you like the way it looks on me, maybe you would think it looks good on you too, and then you would want to get it, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah.
All right, I'm gonna be quiet now so that you can relax and just watch me install the wig and style it, of course. Stay around for all 5 styles and comment below which one's your favorite. 2 more styles, and I also cut the bangs on the wig, so I wanted to show you on this video.
All right, honey bunnies, let me go ahead and give you my final thoughts on this wig. Color, I definitely love it. I think it's really beautiful how it's dark and then like a lighter chocolate brown on top. I feel like that will look good on so many different skin tones. The wig is definitely big head friendly. I have a medium sized head, and for me, it's a little bit too big over here. And the reason why I say that is because this is all kind of like puffy, like the wig cap is too big. You know, even when it was down, I felt like it was too big, even when I passed through the hot comb. It's kind of like baggy, like you feel like little bunches. It's not super obvious. I prefer my wigs to be flatter. You can still wear it if you have a medium sized height, you know, but definitely big head friendly. I feel like the lace, the circumference over here, I don't know, like it doesn't lay right. I feel like it's gonna keep wanting to like undo over here. You know, yeah, that's natural. It's always a little bit more of a pain in the butt on the edges here by your ear, you know, the ear tabs. But it shouldn't be this annoying. Shedding wise, let me show you this. So I didn't pluck the wig or anything like that. And this is all from the wig. So yes, it sheds. Yes, it sheds. Tangling. She's definitely gonna tangle. She's already tangled on me. And if you look over here, it's already looking a little sus. A little suspect, okay? But it's a good buy because you get this beautiful blend of colors. And I mean, I know I look good right now. It looks good, it looks natural. Look at this deep heart. That's sexy, bruh. That's sexy. I'm feeling good. I will go out and I'm gonna feel beautiful. And that's what this is all about, right? You know, like feeling good when you put on a new hairstyle and everything like that. So I recommend her. She's gorgeous. As far as the hairline, I feel like it could have been plugged more, you know? I feel like it definitely could have been plugged more. But I didn't want to go in. I wanted to show you guys what it really, really looks like without going in on it. You know, sometimes I'll go in, sometimes I don't. Now, I do want to say thank you again so much for visiting my channel. Again, I'm Gigi with Gigi Gabrielle 21. Please like, subscribe, and click the notification button so you can always know when my videos are coming out. I don't have a set schedule, but I do plan on posting frequently. So I hope that you come and check out every single one, and then you subscribe and help me grow my channel. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, but with your help, we can do it. Let's support each other, girls. Let me know what you think. Let me know if there's any wig that you want me to try on and review or install, or if there's any other kind of wig videos or hair videos that you would like to see. I'll be more than glad to do it. And if you have any questions at all, please let me know. I want to see your comments. Like, I really want you to interact with me. I love that. So I'm really excited to be here on YouTube and, you know, putting all this content out for you. I love it. And so I really want to engage with you. Anyways, I know I'm going on and on, but much love.